Real quick, I'll show you how I usually stack cut on my scroll saw. Here I am stacking 4 pieces of 1/4 inch maple ply, which actually totals less than 1 inch thick. First, I am tracing my image. This is the state of Louisiana. They will be used for door hangers. Next, I am pre-drilling the holes for the screws. Then I'm putting in just 2 screws to hold all 4 pieces of maple ply together. And I'm making sure that the screws do not poke all the way through. I don't want my scroll saw table too scratched up. Lastly, I'm drilling 2 holes at the top so rope or ribbon can be inserted for hanging. I put tape down first to drill through to keep from splintering the top piece, and I'm drilling all the way through the 4 pieces onto another board to keep the last piece from splintering. This helps so much. Now it's time to scroll. You may notice that I did use some tape to help hold sections of the maple together as I was cutting, so I always keep my tape handy.